sir, namaskar. I am Anuj Gaikwad. Welcome to Tuskers Dining and Bar. As we are starting with a Mewar food festival, there are some signature drinks which we have accompaniment with the food. Let's start with the first mocktail, which is Aam Panna. For that, the ingredients what I'm using is Kheer Royale. This is a brand which we use, usually a French brand. That is a mixture of raw mango. It has the spices and the salt. Let's start with 180 ml of water. Okay, first we'll put a couple of ice inside a cocktail shaker. 15 ml of lime juice. 15 ml of sugar syrup. And 60 ml of a raw mango syrup. To go with that, a little of water. After that, shake it till you get a proper froth. To do something better for the bar, just rim your glass with a lime. And I have a mixture of chaat masala and a cumin powder to just roll around the glass. With a Hawthorne strainer, I'll just pour my drink into the glass. And a garnish of a lime swirl to go along with. So this was a signature Kheer Royale Aam curry, which has a tangy taste of aam, which goes along with the spices with our Indian Tuskers food.